And we're live. Let me just see how it looks like. Oh, that was not the right thing. Okay, very cool. We're just gonna wait for like 1 more minute for like people to join and to show up. And yeah, happy Builder Week. Yesterday was like the International Day of Builders. I will also say that. But like, yeah, congratulations all builders to the Builder Day. Thank you for building. You're amazing. And yeah, very excited for today. We are getting started now, I would say. Let me do this. And we are live. Oh, let me. Hi everyone. Welcome to our 4th Builder Showcase. This year, so exciting. It's already beginning of May, and we have some amazing projects, some amazing speakers today. And 1 second, I'm just getting ready for this. And yeah, 1 second. So I wanted to start off with first of all saying thank you so much everybody for building at Proof of Ship this month. We saw amazing projects and very excited to show them, to present them to the community today. Very important, as always, for Proof of Ship. We have our live voting. This is the final hour of our community voting. So make sure that you check out all the projects and vote for your favorite ones. It's super simple, and now you can vote with Celo and also CUSD. And yeah, we have we will in between always check in what the current status is. Right now, the current status is that Real Bike Club, as always, is on first position, and Sovereignties and second. Congratulations. And third is Canvassing. So let's revisit that in the next hour, but we don't want to take too much time because actually we have a lot of projects that want to present. Just a very quick intro for everybody who is new to Proof of Ship. It's a monthly builder program organized by Celo Foundation to incentivize or like provide a framework for builders to continue building out their hackathon projects, getting feedback from the community, growing, getting exposure, and also getting opportunities for being able to like fund themselves throughout the through just continuously building. So far, very exciting announcement. So far, the prize pool was at 5K. But we've been working with amazing partners like Celo Public Goods, and very important here, the points that you're collecting, kind of like the rewards, will also be counted later in Celo Public Goods retroactive funding rounds, and you will get rewarded based on these, like your position and the rewards that you've gotten so far in Proof of Ship. So it's like not only the rewards you get here, but also from the community and from retroactive funding. And then we have a very exciting announcement for Proof of Ship 4. we will not only have a prize pool of 5,000 CUSD, but we will have 10,000 CUSD because we have two partners joining us. The first one is Divi. We've announced that yesterday. For every application that goes live on Celo mainnet and adds like 10 lines of code to the application to kind of like track on-chain transaction, you will get rewarded from this pool of 5K. We have weekly payouts, and yeah, right now you can get like huge rewards there. This is like to like really make you like go outside, make sure people test your application, you learn like you market your application and get feedback. And so yeah, the other 5K come from Self Protocol. So for everybody who implements Self Protocol into the app, will be rewarded with 250 CUSD. So thank you to our partners. Very excited to see the next month how people will implement those. You can scan this QR code. Also, only new projects are welcome. And also, if you are bringing an existing project onto Celo, this is like the perfect way of like getting exposure, exploring the ecosystem, and building your on-chain profile. The same platform, like even if it like takes some time to create your project for the first time, we are using that platform also for all grants rounds with Presenti, and like in case you're looking to get funding from anywhere in the Celo ecosystem, proof of ship is your place to start. And then also a very important announcement, we have an ongoing hackathon running right now that is focused. This is the old title. Apology. I will move forward, but I'm just like, oh, that was like too far forward. Make sure you applied for this hackathon because it is an amazing chance to get builders and exposure to MiniPay and to funds that are investing into MiniPay. Like if you are looking to like be a serious builder, if you are looking to get actual users, this is the best way of attracting them or like of getting users. This is the link. We will also post it underneath this live stream. But it's an eternal Celo hackathon with like partners like Mento, MiniPay, Tether, and Better Ventures and Dragon Pot. And so what we're looking for is applications that could go live in MiniPay. The hackathon still runs till the 4th of May, like it's 4th of May. I'm sorry. So I will not. And so you still have like 3 days to hack on this. Bring your existing projects. Make sure you watch all the videos related to the hackathon, just to understand. Making sure you understand MiniPay well. But yeah, it's a very unique opportunity, I think, if you are considering not only getting the grants but actually getting real users and becoming an application that has like is sustainable and long term. And then we are already at our new feature round. It's like top builders of this month, and the top builders this month are Felix on first position, 100%, who build every day, who like committed every day to his GitHub, to his project. So congratulations, Felix, on like winning this category. Right now there's like shout out rewards. In the future we might have like more extra rewards. But yeah, just like wanted to give a huge shout out to like all the builders who are building consistently. Like Iloko and Isaac and Emiri and George. This is what we want to see. This is how you become successful. Build every day, push every day, like commit every day, and yeah, you will get rewarded. So just like a reminder, this will go into your evaluation also of your project, of like how many days you commit to your project and you work on your project. We had like this month a few people that like did like the last sprint in the last week, and obviously it just makes sense for you to like build consistently. Whenever you like leave your project for some time and like pick it up again, you will, it just takes you more time. Consistency is key to be successful. So congratulations to all those top builders, and then we are going right into our presentations. Hi, Estefania. And so let me just check who is first. Yes. Okay. So very excited. It's exciting. In the beginning of the month, we've been in East Taipei, East Global Taipei, and we have our two top winners from the hackathon today here to present their projects. They are joining Proof of Ship. So very excited to have them here today. Okay. Hi, Shonil. Good to have you here.
Hey everyone.
Did you already start sharing your screen?
Oh wait, I'll. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, now I can see it. I can see myself.
Uh, yeah. So hey everyone, I'm Swapnil from Team Shilo, and Shilo is the world's first AI VTubing token launchpad platform, which is revolutionizing how meme coins are launched. So you all know about the hype around meme coins and AI tokens, right? That virtuals have launched. But the problem with that platform is that nothing is AI except from the company that is launching the AI token, and everything is manual. And most of the time, the company behind that token is fake, right? So that's the main problem. And only there's like a Eliza OS bot that is like tweeting shitty stuff into the Twitter, right? And that is not an actual engagement. So Shilo is solving that by actually introducing AI VTubers that actually live streams to Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, any platform you want. You can directly live stream. So we have created an engine which can directly uh, just just call the engine and your smart contract address, and you'll be live streaming to Shilo as well as the platform of your choice. So let me show you the demo. So this is our site. So if you want to list your own token, just go to, just wait a second. Okay, so just go to the list token, and here you have to just enter your token name and the basic information about the token. So this is the PFP of the token and token description, and this is the part where you have to add your socials, as well as, suppose for now I want to stream on YouTube, so I've selected YouTube, and I have to enter my YouTube channel ID. So I have entered my yeah. So here I've entered my YouTube channel ID, and after this, you have to select which platform integration you want. We have Eliza OS integration, so you can if you want to like simultaneously tweet to the Twitter, you can just enable it and add the configurations here, and we'll deploy it for you. And now you have to choose the actual personality behind your token. So here we have two options: VTuber template that we have pre-created it, so you can use a pre-created template, or you can use your custom meme image. So the thing about VTubing is it's actually quite famous in China and Japan. And the thing is, like, suppose you are live streaming. So most of live streamers, what they do is they hide their face behind a VTuber model, and then when they speak, the VTuber model also speak in that same way, right? But in this approach, the VTuber model is not controlled by an actual human; it is controlled by an AI. So the engine has integration with AI LLM, which controls the model, which can also speak, which can also interact with the community through the chat, through the stream chat, as well as to the platform integration that you have provided here. So I've entered my VTuber model. You can download the VTuber model from there are a lot of websites, or you can hire an artist to create your own VTuber model. So here I've now I'll enter my agent name and agent bio and all these things. So now we have deployed the token, and behind the scenes my friend was running the VTuber engine. So when I go to this my token, you can see the live stream. Actually, yeah, so the live stream is on, and you can also see the chat on the right side. So this chat is controlled by this agent, so it can actually interact with the world and boost the engagement. So this token is actually alive. It has a personality, and the engagement, you don't have to worry about the marketing and all these things. This is actually the agent which will be doing marketing through all the integrations from Twitter and all these things. So you can see, you can also check the chart. You can also buy and sell the token. So let me check. Uh, so yeah, she can also speak. So let me just check if you can. Uh, so you can see that was her voice. That voice was from his computer and not from the YouTube. That's why there is a lag. But yeah, anyways, so let's move forward. So you can see the chat and all these things. But let me see if, yeah. So there's the buy and sell. You can just directly click on the buy and just buy the token. This is very early stage right now. We currently focused on only on developing the first part, and after this we'll maybe next to next month we'll be launching the launchpad contract, which will be integrated to our platform. This was just for dummy purposes. Yeah. So this is Shiloh, and thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you so much. Very, very excited. But like, I mean, obviously, everybody who is watching this, you can understand why this won first place because it's just so much fun and so cool. And yeah, congratulations. Can't I know you also built throughout the last months? Maybe you can share like very shortly what have you already like improved? Like you said, you like pivoted a bit. Like yeah, maybe you can, we don't have too much time, but I just like,
Yeah,
because you're the winners, you get the stage.
yeah.
What was like the biggest upgrade in the last months that you've worked on?
Yeah, so we actually joined the proof of ship program just now, just like because we were out for like quite a lot. But yeah, we the main thing that we have upgraded is like there was no sync between the voice and the actual video rendering. So there was a delay. We fixed that. It took a lot of time because that's a very low level thing in that engine. So that took quite a lot of time. We didn't expect it that much, that it will take that much time. And we thought of like launching the token launchpad contract. Like till now, but I think we have to delay it. So yeah, we have added it into the milestone for this month. So we'll be completing it this month. Yeah.
Please do it so you can get be eligible for Divi. Maybe I don't know. I yeah. Okay, but yeah, so cool. Thank you so much. Very excited. I know there's a lot of people who will here who would love to play around with it. So keep us updated and Shema in the Telegram chat. Thank you so much, and congratulations again on winning. And next up we will have uh, Sai. Hi, how are you? Good to
Yeah.
have you
Hi.
here. Do you
How are you
have
doing?
your screen ready? I just wanted to share also before you, while you're getting your screen ready, just wanted to share for everybody like the intro that you've seen in the beginning of the video was the video was that was live on Times Square, and where you could see all the builders from like the, I think, the Web3 ecosystem, with like a lot of different partners organized by Talent Protocol, and a lot of the builders who are presenting here today were also on that board. So I hope you saw your name. Otherwise, I will also be happy to share the video, or you can find it on Talent Protocol's Twitter. But yeah, are you ready? Is yeah, yeah, perfect. There you are. Cool. Perfect. Let's go.
So, hey guys, so I'm here to present Git Don't Ignore. So, the idea behind Git Don't Ignore is you've got a great idea for a business, but you have zero technical knowledge. So now you're either forced to hire blindly a developer or go to an IT company. So you're lost in vague updates, unclear cost, and no way to check if the work even meets your needs. Meanwhile, developers deal with poor communication, delayed payments, and no proof of discuss. So both side loses. So that is where Git don't ignore comes in. So we are building an AI-powered on-chain project manager that automates the entire development workflow, from ideation to deployment and testing. So how it works? So basically, this is workflow. So as a client, I can just go into my application. I can onboard using self protocol, and then I can just explain my idea to the AI agent. The AI agent will automate the project. It will create a GitHub repository and add the entire requirements that is to be developed for the project in the README file. Then it will open the project for bidding. As a developer, I can go in and onboard using self, and then I can bid a particular amount for the particular project, and then the client can basically approve my bid, and then a separate branch is created for me. So they all the features that are to be created by me will be listed there. Then I'll start the development. So once I start the development, I can like complete the project, and then like say, hey, I've completed my project. So this particular feature will be deployed on Vercel using the pipeline which I've created. So the deployment will be tested by browser use. So basically, an automated browser session will be made, and then your feature will be tested. So if that particular feature meets the requirements, a pull request is made, and then the funds are released. If it doesn't meet the particular requirement, and issue is created, and then this project goes over and over. So let's quickly get into the demo. So this is the user side application. So as a client, I can go in and create what I'm gonna build. I need as an application. I'm gonna be giving the requirements that I need for the. Oh, sorry, it's kind of too fast. So the AI agent will create the entire workflow that's needed for the particular project, and it will automatically create a GitHub repository for that particular project. Then it's open that particular project for bidding. As a developer, I can go in and then bid for that particular project, and then the client can accept my bid. So once I complete my particular feature and push it to the GitHub, I can go in my GUI application and mark as complete. Once it is done, then the site will be automatically deployed in Vercel, and then it will be tested by browser use. So here it is giving mark as complete. So now this is the browser use session. Basically, the AI agent will do all the work, and it will test like whether the requirements are met. If it is met, then the amount which is like given will be transferred to the developer, or else an issue will be created in the GitHub. So that is Git don't ignore. Yeah,
Thank you so much. I love the design. It's so cool.
yeah,
And I could use this for all our open. I already said that for all our open
yeah,
source work. It's so cool. So thank you so much. Congratulations again on winning, and looking forward to
yeah.
seeing how you're going to build that out. And yeah, maybe you're also gonna bring it to the mini pay hackathon.
Sure.
And so cool. Okay, now I know it's my fault. I talked so long and I gave a lot of people time. So now we're gonna be quick, starting with the next person. Everybody has like now 2 minutes. I will be very strict, but I know there's a lot of people who have a lot of practice in doing it in 2 minutes. So let's get started. The first person that is coming up now is George. George, where are you? Here. There we have George. And
GM.
yes, Queen. GM, welcome to Proof of Ship. So exciting. You were like you're a real builder. You're just like shipping. I love it.
I
Um
try. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
cool. You have 2 minutes.
Okay, so remittances. It's a $900 billion a year industry. It's just sending value across the border, across borders. There are lots of people who need access to it. For TradFi, it's hard, but for crypto, it's easy. There are lots of problems with remittances right now. People depend on them a lot. There are high fees, especially for people sending small amounts. There's a lack of formal or acceptable identification documents that affects more than 1 billion people. They don't have access to MoneyGram or Western Union, for example. And then there are always crises that are causing people to, leave their country, go somewhere else, work, send money home. And in that situation, every cent counts to sustain life. So this is me. I'm a builder, longtime educator. My greatest claim to fame is, of course, my Shiba Inu puppy here, top right. Um, so the solution is, for Web3 remittances, uncensorable, open to anyone, any fiat payment method, any who, anywhere. And how it works is, for example, in local Bitcoins, you have a seller who has crypto, buyer has fiat. They exchange using an escrow and dispute resolution system. So Yapbay is kind of the same thing, except we combine two of those, so that a remittance has two legs. For example, let's say Marta wants to send $50 to Janet in Colombia. So Marta can trade with Mike locally in the U.S. to get USDC or CUSD, whatever stablecoin, and then she takes that to Colombia and trades it to Andres in Colombia, who then deposits 213,000 pesos approximately in Janet's account, and Janet can buy groceries. So the website is up and running here. Um, did I run out of time already?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is your website. What did you ship? Just like 10 seconds. What did you ship this month? What are you really
So
proud
this
of?
month, I integrated the chain into the front end, the chain stuff. I got the first leg of the trade process working. So it's possible to create a trade here, escrow, all that stuff. You can do a full, local Bitcoins kind of trade, and it's escrowed on chain. You polished the UI and expanded the API functionality to handle a bunch of interesting things. Anybody can check it out at app.yapbay.com.
Cool. I also pinned here. You can see them. So make sure to follow on Twitter to see the progress. I think you're already like really far. You're already live, I think, right? So make sure to apply for the Divi program. And yeah, congratulations. And next
Thanks.
up, we would have had Nasiruddin, but he is traveling, so he can't present. Just go to like last month's video to see what he's been building. He's been building SubPay, but actually next month he's coming with a new project that is very, very exciting. So next up would be Isaac. Where are you? What is it? Here. Cool. Thank you so much, George. Isaac, do you have your screen ready? And okay, I feel like you're muted, and somehow I can't see your screen. Are you ready to present? Otherwise, please ping me in the chat. And then we move on to Emiri. So many people today. Okay, Emiri, you are up. Go.
What's up, everyone?
Good to see you.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm presenting. I came better than I expected. Okay.
Okay. Emiri has been building nonstop since like a long time. He's one of our most active builders. So with building with Susu. So very excited for your updates.
All right. Where am I presenting from again? Okay, good. Thank you very much, everybody. I'm Emiri, and I'm building Isusu where we save as a community and grow as one. So the issue we are solving is that of a declining in saving practices, and it's understandable due to economic recession and the economic downtimes. People are unable to save, And then also people just borrow and are able to pay back the loans that they take. So that's why we are building a three-in-one solution where we can help individuals time lock their savings while earning yields, as well as also save in groups as friends or yeah, and then also pay bills. So for this for fifth season three, and we've been here since season one. And this time around, we decided to upgrade our SGS version because we're using version 13 before, and it was getting so difficult for us to display AI charts on the front end. So we did that, and also did a bunch of improvements, such as integrating the Fiat Exchange API, integrating the Good Dollar Verifier for users, and also try to maintain a more lively social presence on Farcaster majorly. So this is what we're able to ship this time around, and yeah, I think that would be it. Should I show the web page? Okay, yeah, that is what would be for this for this round. Thank you very much for listening. I'm a bit disorganized because I came earlier than I expected. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. So
Thank
you
you so
can go.
much,
I will
Amir.
post the link to the web page on my
Yeah.
on the chat bot on the chat
Perfect.
feed. Thank you very
Yes.
much.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Imi.
All right.
Cool. I also added the link to like the Imi's project. And next up we have Kofi. Are you ready, Kofi? Okay. Kofi is ready.
How you doing?
Good. How are you? Good to see you. Oh,
Well,
see, Emiri was in time. That's what we love seeing. Hi. Okay, so for everybody who is new, Kofi is building Three Wheeler Bike Club. They have amazing news this month. We are very, very excited. And you go, 2 minutes.
awesome. Yeah. So yeah, we've been in the last couple of proof of ships, and today I wanted to share updates on Three Wheeler Bike Club. We've shipped our P2P financing platform where anyone can earn like a 2x passive income, right? So here you can invest in like a fractional amount of fleet, or you can do a full. Uh, G Loco has built an amazing UX here. So here I'm just toggling through fractional or full ownership. You can purchase a number of fractions. So I'm just purchasing a few here, showing you guys how it works. And you can see my screen all right? Or is it?
Yes, sorry, I only edited it like after 5 seconds.
Awesome.
But yeah, you're good.
So yeah, I mean the process is real seamless. Once you purchase your fractions, you then are able to earn like shares of one bike, right? You can either earn shares of a bike or like you can purchase like a full amount. And once they've been purchased, we're actually going to assign a driver to the bike on the grounds, and you start earning weekly income. Yeah, this is just a history of my last few purchases that I made myself. What else do I want to show here? Yeah, and then also the full ownership amount, you can purchase a number of three-wheelers instead. So it works the same exact way. That's what we shipped this month. Another thing is last proof of ship, I talked about how we actually got our first two drivers live on the road. Since then, we've gotten 5 weeks worth of actual like ROI payments from the drivers in the community. We're also getting 2 more this week. So we've been building, shipping on the grounds and online. Congratulations to G Loco again for being top builder of the month. That's my guy. Happy Builders. Happy International Builders Day, everyone. Happy International Builders Day to my favorite builder, Lena.
Oh.
Nice time.
And the Three Wheeler Bike Club, they also posted, wait, here's the project, but they also posted a little cute post where you can also add all your favorite builders and everything. Because they have been our top building project, like shipping so much, being already live. So definitely share what you love about Three Wheeler Bike Club, but also like share about your projects and everything that you're building. So yes, Thank you so much, Kofi. So excited about the updates. Can't wait for next month. And next up, we have Gideon. Gideon is. Hi, Gideon. Can you hear me? And this is your screen, no? Somehow it's not working. Somehow your screen is dark and I can't add something else. Let me know in the private chat when you're ready, and we move on to the next project. Is Mark. Hi, Mark. Are you
Hey,
ready to
yes, good to go.
present? Welcome to Proof of Ship. This is the first time that Web3 GPT AI is in Proof of Ship. So welcome to Proof of Ship and the Celo ecosystem. And let me add your screen. You have 2 minutes. Very quick.
Yes, awesome. Thank you for having us. Yep, so we implemented Celo, sorry, into Web3 GPT, and let's show what you can do here. So this is a chatbot, just like many others. This is great for people learning Solidity and just getting into the Web3 ecosystem. So here we're asking about some different token contracts that we can work with. And let's go ahead and have a prompt ready to make a governance token. And this is going to help to create a token that we can deploy directly to the testnet. And here's the Solidity code that's generated. So we can deploy with our wallet, or we can just deploy directly with the agent. And we're going to ask to mint to our address here. And this is going to help builders because this will create a repository and upload to IPFS with all of the contract code that's needed. And this is also going to verify it on chain. So look like it's making a quick fix. For the sake of the demo, while this is trying again, I'll show a successful attempt here. And we can see we have this contract deployed and verified on Block Scout. And we have the contract and all of the required files pinned to IPFS. And we see that it actually fixed the code error. So this is great for testing and learning. And then you can go ahead and interact directly on chain with the contracts that you deployed.
I love that. This is amazing for everybody. This is amazing for everybody who is doing anything with education. And so thank you so much. Very excited for people to trying that out. And
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Let me quickly. Sorry, I was just listening to you, so I forgot to share your Twitter. But like, let me quickly share that too, just so people know how to check out your project and follow you. This is the project, and this is where you can vote for what W3 GPT.
It's a mouthful.
Yeah, maybe fine. Maybe there's like another name that is like, but yeah.
Yeah,
That
we're still
can be
building.
a next milestone. Cool. Thank you so much. Great to meet you, Mark, and thank you for
Thank you.
building and thank you for presenting. Cool. And next up we have Gideon. He is back. And hi, Gideon.
Hi, Lina.
Hi.
Sorry, you
Samai.
might not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're getting ready with Movie Meter. Is your Telegram community always like watching when you present this? You should make them watch.
Yeah. Can you hear me, Lina?
Yes, I
can't.
can hear you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So my project is Movie Meter. My name is Gideon. Thanks, Lina, for giving me this space. Um. So the idea is to help movie enthusiasts
keep up with whatever is happening in the movie industry, and they are being rewarded for doing just that. And a cool add-on is the voting on movies feature. And yeah, I wanted this to be more friendly to the normal Web2 user. So here you have a couple of trailers on the homepage, and then you have a couple of AI fetched um, movie recommendations, and then you have stories about movies and a couple of trending stars. And I'll just go to the movie voting side. Their users are able to vote on movies, and you have two options, whether it's a yes for that movie or no for that movie. So once you hit the no yes button, it just triggers a transaction, and then you sign, and then those votes are stored on chain. And once you get to vote on the movie, you are able to redeem your rewards to maybe in CUSD or good dollar tokens or a meme coin based on that particular movie. That's what is actually in the works for next month. And and also we have an AI recommendations feature. So if you want AI recommendations, you're out of movie recommendation, you want to watch a movie, just go there and then tell the AI you want this is what you want, and then the AI would give you recommendations based on that. And so yeah, that's what movie meter is. Lina, I didn't hear what you said at the start.
I No, I just made a joke. I asked if you always share that screen and stream in your Telegram groups.
Oh, I didn't. No, I could have
Totally
done
vote
that.
for
I didn't
you.
do it.
You need to do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, perfect timing. I can't wait for your community, for you to bring your community on chain and on um because yeah, Gideon is an amazing person in in creating communities. Isaac, you were already, but like when I tried to add you, if you're ready to present now, you can go. It would be your position. Okay, thank you, Gideon. See you next time. Great updates. Bye. Okay. Are you ready? Can you hear me? Perfect. You go. 2 minutes.
Okay. Hello. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. I'll present now. Um. So can you see my screen, please?
I'm not yet. Yeah, now I can see
How about
it.
now?
Yeah.
All right. Great. My name is Isaac. I am from Simply Finance. I'm also a developer and co-founder at Simply Finance. Simply Finance is a platform for decentralized protocols for short-term financing. This diagram here explains what Simply Finance is for. And you can see we have a different number of people here contributing to a specific pool. So, and when that pool is filled up, the amount in that pool is being transferred to the next person, which is treated on first come first serve basis. And the person who got finance, we have to use this fund usually for a short period of time between 1 hour to 720 hours, which is 30 days. And after then you will have to return that fund to the pool. Then the next person, the fund is being passed to the next person in line, which is treated in a rotational order. So that is exactly the idea behind the CP Finance. And we also try to we also model after a prominent African system of raising funds, which usually call
Okay, now I can't hear you.
People,
Ah,
usually
hi.
like friends and families. So, but we are redefining this system and we are making it global for anyone to be able to participate. So, what is the problem we solve? Financial exclusion, existing liquidity pools. User usually struggle to use existing liquidity protocols due to high technicalities. Then it is centralized and rigid, and there's trust issue with the existing traditional peer lending structures. So these are the problems we're trying to solve. What's our solutions? We are creating a simplicity and flexibility for no algorithm driven interest rates. Rather it is user driven, and our team do not control the pool. Rather, the pools are decentralized and user control the pool 100%. Then inclusivity, everyone can participate. Then what mechanism are we using? We are using peer funding structures. That means users can raise funds by contributing between one another. So anyone can join this pool. Let's say for instance, Bob is in Amsterdam and Alice is in Nigeria. So they can come together and form a pool and
Okay.
contribute to raise higher fund.
You have like 10
Um,
seconds left.
okay, all right, thank you. So I'll just go to I just show the demo right now. Sorry. So this is what we'll be working on for the past 1 month, and we have a new UI now, and you can see from here. Um, sorry, this thing is interfering with my.
Okay, you can post the link to your demo under this screen. We have to we have some other projects that are need to present now. Okay, share your video because we don't have so much time
Okay.
left. Thank you so much. Next up we have Andrew. Okay, let's go. Be quick. Welcome, Andrew.
Thank you so much.
Great
Let
to
me share
have
my
you as always. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Let's be very, very
screen.
quick because obviously we want everybody to still be able to like showcase their projects and get
Yeah.
votes.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Canvassing, where we do online tasks which are rewarded in tokens, and we're a and we are trying to look at surveys from or tasks from a participant's perspective. There are too many steps before they're paid out, so we're using tokens to optimize that process. You just come to our DApp, you create an account, you book on chain, answer, submit, and then you claim your reward. Easy as that. And for this particular proof of ship season 3, we've been able to do a couple of things, but I'll just highlight the ones that have topped the list. So number one, we integrated the good dollar identity SDK. We are now able to verify the humanness of a user. So before they do a survey, we are now asking them to go through a face verification link. And we also want to move to a mobile app experience. So we've also been trying to prototype our mobile app and also trying to learn how to execute like sponsor transactions so that they serve like a mobile app context. We've also completed a survey that was talking about the banking situation in West and East Africa. Be sure to check that out on Celo Forum. And apart from that, so this is a demo of how a person is now verified. So they sign a message and then they go through a face verification. Good Dollar helps us to generate a face verification link, and then now you're able to verify your identity, and now we're able to distinguish between humans and non-humans in that regard. So that's me doing that. And for the coming proof of ship, we want to double down on our mobile app, complete a survey as usual, and then we've been focusing on the participant. Now we want to move to the researcher because that is the person that will make our project sustainable. We want to give it in that perspective. So yeah, thank you guys. Follow us on the Canvassing at X. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Andrew. Great timing. Perfect. Thank you. See you next month. Happy building. Okay, very quick. Next up, Alyssa. Are you here? Do you have your screen ready?
Yes, hello guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been trying to try and get the video up now. I'm not seeing it, the one I recorded, but I'll just
It's on
present
your
this.
screen. Okay.
Let me present this. Let me share. Can you get it? Let me see.
Okay. Let's go. 2 minutes.
Oh, not even share the long one, but let's go. So, for proof of ship 3, which is by the one I'm showing, mainly the new features we shipped are. Let me just share this. Sorry, just a minute. Sorry. Okay, yeah, this is okay. So, thank you. I'll just even be quick. 1 minute will be enough. Let me hope it's there. 1 minute will be enough.
Okay, I just extended the deadline for voting for 10 minutes. So like nobody needs to be stressed. But like still be stressed. Your time is running.
Uh, are you seeing my screen? I'm seeing black things. I don't know if I'm
I
in there,
can
right?
I can see your screen.
Is it there?
Yeah, you're showing right now the dashboard of this campaign. Oh, okay. Elisa is gone. So let's move on with Ayan from Nomitech. Hey,
Hello.
great to have you here.
Yeah,
Um,
I'll just share my screen right now.
yes.
You able to see my screen?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. I'll just not waste anyone's precious time. So, 2 minutes. So, we present you, me and my team presents you the Normitech. So, we kind of, we are the platform where we make people businesses accept stable coins for the customer whoever wants to get stable coins. Any normie can pay through a credit card, and any businesses can get their payment through via stable coin. So this is our motto, so to make every web2 people come into web3, and any normie who can use the web3 platform via Celo. Yeah, so this is a problem. Fintech businesses struggle to receive stable currency from their customers, and sending customers is exchange too much friction. So there's a way that stablecoin without owning crypto or using an exchange, and even without KYC, if you see it properly. So we have built a solution. So this is like we have integrated the PayPal system to and now in this proof of ship season 3, we have also integrated the Zelle payout and the Phoenix fund from the Phoenix market and all to you don't need KYC and anything. So we as you go so our system works very in a very simple way. So you can go to our platform Nomitech, you can test in our sandbox, you can just sign in, and you will see some options to select the payout address. If you're a business owner, you will get the payout, you will get to select the payout address, input the payout address and the network. You can see this here is Celo. So you just select this, and there's like recurring links to you can whom you can send. It can be you can be a freelancer and send your clients to to this the generated link, and they can just pay you via PayPal or any credit card, and you can receive the payments in stable coins. Or and even if you want if some countries are having some remittances to share, and anyone, yeah. So this is how it works. You create a one-time link, you get a checkout URL, you copy, you just have to put the amount and the name and the description, whatever, for whatever you're getting the payment for. You get the link, you just share to the your whoever is sending you the money, and yeah, you they will open the link, they will see this kind of screen, and they can just pay. And I'll just spare the time where we have to just pay by credit card and just input all the info. And after this, you just get the payment done, and you'll see this um, you'll see this successful UI. And as it is done, you can also see how our technique inside text work properly, what we have used, how we send the, because even we can integrate smart contracts. Not only you can receive payments through, and it can be integrated in any system. So one of our example is Sarafu, they are very great. So we have this Substack platform where we always
Ayan,
post our impacts. Yeah, I'm so sorry.
we had time. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
sorry. You can go to this. Yeah.
I shared the link to the Twitter, so like make sure to follow Normitech on X and check out all updates. They are already live, so you can use them. And yeah, thank you so much for joining today. Great to have you back at Proof of Ship.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, cool. Elisa, you go.
Thank you very much. I just had an issue with the network here. It's a bit down,
Yeah.
so let me just go and
No
start.
worries.
Sorry about the video, guys. I will just show you what I shipped this month. Most of you have seen how you have used the platform. Those who are new to the proof of ship, you're also seeing how it's going. I've got some feedback from you guys, and yeah. So for this month, I shipped a few features. One is the wallet feature, which was not there. After that, the Web2 users can check out. So now you can see if you have a wallet, you can quickly track what's in the wallet, which tokens, in that when you are paid, you can always pay, remove the money, do that. It's there, it's a wallet feature. You can send that tokens to your address. Now it's using CUSD and Celo. You can also receive funds more in it. So that's it, like your own wallet. And this can be created by Google, in that you don't need to have a trust wallet or anything. That's one of the features we ship. Then the next one is Andrew, you're already winning. It's the voting feature, whereby we now included CUSD. So far, the broker is kind of misbehaving, but should be working well. Whereby now we have tokens and my token support, in that you could have Celo, CUSD, and this is not only the CUSD. The contract is dynamic. I could put G's, more of that. So that is it. And then the distribution also in Celo and stuff. So generally, that is the only thing. I also revamped the interface. You guys can see how interface now is a bit clear. And yeah, from your feedback, also more things. You can also see the vote history you are doing on your votes. You can see a lot. That is it. But more to come. But that's what I shipped for this ship. And guys, thanks for using this and supporting it.
So exciting. Yeah. There was like a very exciting discussion in the Proof of Ship Telegram group around mechanisms and payout mechanism and how to prevent the rich winning always. So yeah, just like a very, very quick jump to very quick jump to wait. How do I do this? Okay. Great. So I want to share this. Right now we have Three Wheeler Bike Club leading with 107 and canvassing with 99 votes right after. Like very, very. Then we have a little gap, and then we have a lot of distributed votes. These are like, now we have 8 minutes left, so like I will stop talking and I will look. I will let the next person, and that will be. Then we have. I think Felix was up. Felix, are you still there? Yay! Hi. Good to have you. Congratulations on being the top builder of the week, of the month. You've been shipping, but yeah. Do you want to share your screen, and or like you can also just like give the update without sharing it?
Okay, so for this very proof of shipment season 3, what I worked on was a Telegram mini app, because the previous time I was working on a mobile app, so I had to switch to a Telegram mini app so that I can be able to reach out to my customers as fast as possible and also make updates to the system. So the core feature that was worked on was view payments. So I was able to get access to an API service that I could use to settle airtime, data bundles, electric bills, utility bill, TV bills, and many more. So
Are you planning to share your screen right now? Because right now I only see us.
okay, let me.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
So this is a simple demo for the airtime utility bill.
Yeah.
So we're able to do the one for airtime and data bundle in this very program. Hopefully in the next, we tend to expand more to transport services, electric bills, and many more services that is available to us.
Okay.
So this is a Telegram mini app. The link, I'll drop the link in this video and also in the group. You can go and check it out and use it.
And
And it's
right
also
now, people can use this in Nigeria or also other countries.
yes, currently in Nigeria. As of today, I enabled 6 other African countries.
Okay.
So once
Okay.
you open it,
Amazing.
you get to see the countries.
Okay. Okay. I will just share the link and then cool. Everybody definitely check it out. Here is the link. Oh, that's not the link to vote for. This is like the link to vote for. And then we have, thank you so much for joining. And then we have next up is Vladimir.
Hi, God bless you. I think I'm presenting, right?
Yes, you're presenting.
Okay, thank you. Well, here I'm working with some people from Sierra Leone. They are connected with the school Mission Hope in Kabbalah. Well, it's hard for them to connect to advance in many of these things. So I'm just advancing, but I'm with them. They have a phone where the idea is to work on this. We are working on a platform to do on ramp to buy and sell USDT easily, CUSD in general stable coins. So I will show in 1 minute this demo. You connect the wallet. It works in MiniPay, but now it's working in a browser. And you can connect the Celo network or the Celo Alpha Horus testnet. If you go to testnet, you will see more fields just to test. But let's see, just in Celo, you put the number, your number, your phone number with Orange Money and your name. The idea is to do a better KYC. Then you put how much leones you want to pay. It shows you how many USDT you will receive. You continue, you can check the details. You will receive $4 for 100 leons and you can confirm. But in this test now is working a little better in Alpha Horus. Then after you confirm, well, here is, I'm changing the also to Alpha Horus in the Web3 wallet. And then it's $1.1 in this moment in the USDC. I cut this video. It takes like 12 seconds, but in this video it took less, and you can see that it's 1.2. It increased in $0.1, and you can check the transaction. This is working in this moment in the stable-sl.pdj.app. This is the architecture. It has gateway that it's a mobile app that runs in the phone, in our phone that is now in Sierra Leone. This gateway receives and sends SMS and USSD to receive and make payments in Orange Money. Then there is a coordinator backend, and there is the front end. That is what I showed.
Yeah.
I didn't show the rest, but that's that architecture.
Amazing. I love that you added that to your GitHub. Thank you so much. We love when you on and off time. It was perfect. Thank you so much. And like a lot of progress I can see happening. So congratulations on shipping so much. Okay, cool. Last one. Okan. Yeah, there we go. We actually have also some Tuchuku. So yeah, Okan. Go. Are you ready? Where's your screen? If you can't present, there you go. Okay. Cool. Last minute. So now is the time to vote. We can't hear you. In case you're talking, there's no sound coming from you. So that is not okay. Okay, can you hear me? We can't hear you. Uh,
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Now I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So, in Silamind, we used to have Telegram interface and terminal interface, but right now we have a front end, so you can connect your preference wallet and perform transactions on Celo using human natural language. So you have a native wallet balances card, so you can see your balances in any moment, and you can make transactions using your wallet. So as you gave, the AI agent of proof of shipping gave feedback about holding private keys in in the project is a bad idea. So the way to use private keys from each user is to use um, a web browser extension. So I'm not holding any private keys now. You can use your wallet extension wallet. Just imagine that you can connect your Ledger Nano in your sorry you can connect your Ledger wallet in the front end and perform Celo transactions. So your private keys are more than safe.
Right. Now.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. I feel like here is like, okay, voting period is over. We still have, like, before we announce the winner of this community round, we have one last project. Thank you for presenting. And yeah, I think you're also like you're like at the conference right now, no? So you still
Yes,
have
I
to
gave a conference yesterday, and I'm presenting some stuff in Mexico City too. I went to the Celo party last night with Jerry, and oh, geez,
it looks so
I don't
cool.
know. I don't know if you will receive news about it, but I just want to give you the alpha. We
Okay.
were paying for drinks with
Yeah.
Celo tokens. For
Very
real,
cool.
like for real. Jerry from Celo Mexico is
Yeah.
a really gangster for real.
Amazing.
He's a
Amazing.
real
It
man.
looked so cool. I was like, no, I can't believe I missed this. It's so amazing. That's yeah. Great updates. Love that. Love to hear that. Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome.
Perfect. Okay, cool. And then hey, hey, hi. Um so do you want to share your screen? Santuchu.
Yeah.
You are the last project to present. You're also new to Proof of Ship, so welcome. Thank you so much for shipping on Celo. And yeah, you can already introduce your project. I know you just started building it, so yeah. Are you able to share your screen? I can't see it yet.
Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes, now I can. Yes, now
All
I can
right.
see it. Okay, perfect.
Okay. So basically, I built this NFC minting platform, but what makes it different is that users can, log into the platform. They don't just upload pictures to mint. They can also draw the NFT they want to mint. Yeah. I'm coming. I'll demonstrate that. I just want to connect this.
So I think while this is loading, because next time I hope you're gonna bring a pre-recording of everything to the presentation so you can like just talk over it. But yeah, what were you like most proud of shipping? How was it building on Celo? And what
I think
yeah,
I can demonstrate that now. So
yeah,
I think I'll start by explaining the inspiration behind this. The inspiration behind it was that I attended a sip and a sip and paint event in a Web3 sip and paint event here in Nigeria.
yeah.
the event was not about painting and stuff like that, but it was organized by the Web3 community. So I was like, I can build something for this kind of events. We can draw the canvas. I thought, what if you can draw or paint the pictures on a digital canvas and get to mint it there live and direct, and maybe people can buy or vote on the best one or something like that. Yeah, so that's the inspiration behind it. Although most of the features have not been implemented, but basically you can sketch, you can draw anything, and you can set to save it. After
Yeah.
saving it, you can implement it. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.
I love you're a front end designer, no? Or like you're like I love your
No,
interface. It looks like you added like a lot of really cool features. I like that.
thank you very
That's
much.
very cool. Definitely come to an office hour next week, and we can like also talk about like the roadmap for your project and like how some feedback on that. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, we always have office hours on Wednesdays. And you can also find all our events always here and sign up for them, like the upcoming proof of ship and let me remove this. Like the upcoming proof of ship, the mini pay hackathon. Just a reminder. Let me also share my screen now.
Can I stop
Um,
sharing now?
sorry.
Should I stop sharing my screen now?
Yeah, no, it's fine. I removed it. But you can stay here. I love having somebody else staying with me
All
while
right,
I
all
set
right.
everything up. I will just okay. So wait 1 second. I am trying to find my screens. Okay, perfect. Here are our top builders again. Amazing. We love to see them. And wait. Yeah, perfect. What I just wanted to share is make sure to get your collectible for joining today. This is the QR code on the left. Follow us on Twitter, Celo, and then also join our Telegram builder community. Everybody is a lot of the people that you saw here presenting today are like in that group. They are very helpful in supporting you with any errors you might run into because they have already encountered those. So make sure to join the Telegram group. It's amazing, very, very supportive and very lively. And then just make sure to sign up for the upcoming events, and then make sure to follow me to get all updates on all community updates and opportunities in on Celo. And then I just want to make sure to sign up for proof of ship for and now to the moment that we have been all waiting for. This is very exciting because now we can test out Alyssa's what is this app. Last time I ended the screen before we distributed all the rewards, but this time we will distribute all the rewards in real life. We have 546 votes in total, and I can announce Trula Bike Club is the winner again. Great job, Kofi. Let's wait. Where? Hi, Kofi. How does it feel to win for the third time?
Feels good.
Yeah.
Thank you all for participating. Thank you guys for voting. Really enjoyed watching everyone's projects, and we back to back to back.
And also, congratulations to Andrew for being on the second. Wait, I'm gonna like stop sharing for now, and then I will add this in a second. Congratulations, Andrew, for being on the second place of the community votes. Great job. And then
Congratulations, Andrew.
yes. And then the third winner is Emiri. Congratulations. Good job. Love to see the community participating, and very excited also for like getting like more feedback on how we can improve the community vote experience, leave all your feedback, join all the I'm gonna take a cute screenshot of that. And join the conversation, and then yeah, congratulations on winning. And now I'm sorry, now I will add again this too, because now we will see that all the prize pool, somebody has like sounds in the background. Maybe you can mute yourself. Maybe I will mute. So what I wanted to share is, okay, this is very cool. So I will go now to the admin board, and now, wait, where's Lisa? I need you. Okay, if I need, now I go to distribute funds, and here we can see our platform fee. We can see the total fund.
reka tugabanye.
You need to promote the contest more. I think do more marketing for people to vote. And then we have 464 Celo to distribute, and they will be distributed based on quadratic funding. So like the project that got like the most votes from different people will get like a higher share. So now I will click. It would be good to have like a preview of how that would look like and how much people would cost. But maybe that can be a milestone for next round. But now, this is always so exciting. I can't believe last time we recorded, no? And now it's here. Okay. Where they distributed, they were. And now we can see the distribution summary. Okay. So this is exciting. Okay, congratulations to all winners. Here is
Scroll up so that we see from top.
And yeah, congratulations to everyone. As you can see, it makes sense to even get a few votes, because based on quadratic funding, you receive more because more people voted for you. So yeah, I think this was fun. Let's revisit. Let's look at and congratulations to all winners. And yeah, thank you so much for joining, Olisa. Thank you so much for building Sovereign Seas. And yeah, thank you so much. I wish everybody. Thank you everybody for joining. This was fun. Have a lovely month. Keep shipping and keep shipping daily. So you get and winners will be announced next week as always. Because it just takes time to do a review all your projects in detail, and all of you will get the personalized feedback, and for that it just thank you so much everyone. See you next month. It was great and so much fun. Bye.